Hi everyone, this is Teresa, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Nirmala College for Women. Today I'm going to speak on the topic of normalization and database.
These are the topics which we are going to discuss on normalization today. Introduction to normalization, first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, Boyce code normal form. Introduction to normalization. What is normalization? Normalization splits the larger, complex tables into smaller tables and defines the relationship between them. Normalization of a database is achieved by following a set of rules called forms in creating a database. Edgar Codd proposed the theory of normalization. Why normalization? To minimize the data redundancy, anomalies, and data dependency, the technique of normalization is used. Normalization increases the clarity in organizing the data in the database. Each normal form has an importance which helps in optimizing the database to save storage and to reduce redundancies. Redundancy may also lead to anomalies. There are three types of anomalies: insertion anomaly, update anomaly, and deletion anomaly. Deletion anomaly: when deletion of information about one entity leads to the deletion of information about another entity. Insertion anomaly: when the information about an entity cannot be inserted unless the information about another entity is known. Update anomaly: when any information update is made at one place, the same data may reside in many locations, so changes must be done at all places. Based on the amount of redundancy in the database, the levels of normalization differs. These are the different forms of normalization: first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, and Boyce code normal form. Here is the table of an unnormalized relation where we have the item number, item name, item price, and quantity. Values, multiple values are being stored. First normal form. Conditions that should exist in first normal form are: the primary key is defined. If a single column cannot exist as a primary key, composite key can be used. All non-key columns shows the functional dependency on the primary key components. What is a non-key? A non-key is nothing but all the columns other than the primary key is said to be the non-key column. No multi-valued columns must exist in the table. Here is the table which is given in first normal form, where the item number, item name, item price, and quantity, which had multiple values, are given in different rows, and the primary key is being defined as the invoice number and item number. second normal form. Conditions that should exist in the second normal form are: all the conditions of the first normal form must be fulfilled. The table should not contain partial dependency. Partial dependency exists only in tables which has composite key. In partial dependency, a non-key column is dependent on the part of the primary key column. Here is the table which relates the second normal form. First, the first normal form is reduced to the second normal form. In second normal form, the table is split up into three, removing partial dependency. First table: invoice number, invoice date, customer number, customer name. Second table: item number, item name, item price. And third table: invoice number, item number and quantity. Third normal form. The following are the requirements that are to be satisfied for the third normal form. Third normal form: all the conditions of the second normal form must be fulfilled. The table should not contain transitive dependency. In transitive dependency, a non-key column is dependent on another non-key. Here is a table of third normal form where the table is split up into four. The first table is invoice number, invoice date, customer number. Second table: customer number, customer name. Third table: item number, item name, item price. And the fourth table: invoice number, item number and quantity. Boyce Code Normal Form (BCNF). A third normal form relation is not in BCNF if the candidate keys in the relation are composite keys. They are not single attributes. Candidate key is any key or a group of keys that should become a super key. There is more than one candidate key in the relation, and the keys are not disjoint, that is, some attributes in the key are common.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you would have got some ideas on normalization.